You're looking at a 2020 Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrid LE with 27,000 miles. That's in like new condition. This is a plug-in hybrid, so you can run on gas or electricity. On electricity, it gets about 25 miles at a full charge. On gas, it gets over 54, 55 miles per gallon. Car's in excellent shape. Keyless entry. Sold out a lot of the factory warranty remaining. VIN numbers right there. Heated seats. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay projection. So your navigation will never be out of. You can use Waze or Google Maps. It will project right onto there. The shifters. Heated seats. Exact mileage is 27,976. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, Bluetooth, automatic high beams, power windows, air conditioning. All-weather mats. Today's the darkest day of the year, so sorry for the video. It's a little dark, but I think it looks like a 28,000 mile car, so there should be no stories. Just came back from the detail shop. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.